So you're doing 100 crunches a day and wondering why your abs still look like they're on vacation? Let me fix that. The truth is, doing 100 reps of abs doesn't burn belly fat, and it won't grow your muscles either. 100 reps just mean 100 reps of wasting time. If you want a strong six-pack, then treat your abs like any other muscle. That means sets of 8 to 15 reps with tension, control, progression. So stop chasing the burn. Start chasing progress. Smart training builds abs, not long-ass circuits.